Hello guys, so today I'm going to be doing a withdrawal just to test the system if it's going to work after I deposited $20 and also bought a mining package. Remember, if you're coming to my YouTube channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, like our video, share it, and get to join our Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. Remember, once you sign up, you're going to be getting a free $5 in your account automatically when you sign up, and also you can download the app if you wish. Remember to join our Telegram group and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also join our WhatsApp group. 'Cause most of the times I would have posted on our WhatsApp group and Telegram group before I even think of doing any form of video, guys. So let's just hop on to the withdrawal aspect. Let's see if you've bought your miner, right? You funded, you've bought your miner, if you can withdraw, right? So their minimum withdrawal is $5, and currently I'm having $7.4. So I'm going to be testing their withdrawal. I've clicked on withdraw right now. I'm going to, before I withdraw, I'll have to click on this part here because I've not yet added my withdrawal address. Okay, so I'm going to click there. I'm going to click on it, then I'm going to click on add, right? So I can be able to add my withdrawal address. So right now I'm going to just click on add address right here, and I'm going to add it automatically. So I'm going to copy my address, my USDT address, then I'm going to save it. Okay, remember we are copying our USDT TRC20, so I'm going to be pasting my address. Now I'll click on preserve. Okay, so let's just wait. It said one Chinese word. Okay, let's input hi here. So it has said added successfully. Sorry, it said added successfully. Okay, so let's go backwards. Let's refresh this place. You could see there. So let's go back here. Let's press here, then add this address. Okay, so let me paste it directly. Yeah, I'll input the amount, which is total. Now click on submit. So it said submitted successfully. So you could see comment and confirmation in progress. So I'll pause the video and come back in few minutes time. So after a while, I came back, I refreshed, and it was successful basically. So I hopped on to my Binance account and I received the exact same $7.4 which I withdrew, guys. So have it in mind, the platform is working. So the fact there is, right, let me hop back to the website. The fact there is that fund your account with $20. Remember, when you sign up, you're going to be getting a whooping $5 for free, right? Then fund up, you could see the whooping $5 for free. So once you sign up, this is what you're going to get. Then fund your account with $20. Once you fund it up, you're going to be having a total of $25. Buy the package, you're going to be having a $5 balance remain. Once you buy the package, by coming to once you fund, you just have to come to mining. Please make sure machine you get the package here. Then yeah, just watch the previous video, right? So once you've bought the package and all that, then you go to your assets, you click on withdraw, then you can now withdraw that free $5 that you have been giving, guys. So it's as simple as that. You can hop on it and get started. Remember, please always try to check everything. Make sure, regardless we review the platform, always check back and try it with the funds you can afford to lose. Have it in mind that for the past few times on our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp group, we've been constantly dropping free updates. Most of the free updates we've been dropping, some will ask you to pay a certain fund before you were able to withdraw, while some they were entirely free, just like Netera and so many other ones I've reviewed in the past that you won't even have to. Netera, they will give you certain amount of funds and they'll tell you to put certain amount of funds before you can withdraw. So some of the free updates we review as well, which we don't do videos on, right? I have reasons for talking right now. Some of them, they will ask you to pay certain amount of funds to be able to withdraw. Some is extremely free. Once you register, you get your free your funds you use it to perform certain tasks on their website, and after a while you'll be able to withdraw. So now that I've funded $20, I'll be waiting for about 14 few days more to be able to get back my total $20. Remember that I've been able to withdraw $7.4 right now. Okay, so after waiting for, let's just say, 14 to 15 days or more than that, we'll be able to get a total opening of our capital back. Have it in mind, if you register the exact day that I I registered and you funded the exact day that I funded, by now you would have gotten a certain number of USDT. It's advisable to withdraw it to your wallet and keep doing that at interval time. So this is everything about Superminer. Get started. Let's be precise, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for updates. Please join our WhatsApp group and also our Telegram channel. So see you again in my next video. Have a nice day.